Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on a Dell laptop. Okay, this one's for both Windows 10 and 11. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for simple apps, just go ahead over to your search bar and type down Microsoft Store. Okay, click on it, and once done, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the profile icon right here, or just log in with your Microsoft account. Now, once logged in the left panel, you have apps, games, and even themes. Okay, so for example, let's go ahead over to apps right here. Now, maybe you're trying to download a browser. We have Mozilla Firefox right here and even Brave browser. Let's say you wanted to download Facebook, Discord, Reddit, Instagram Threads. You have that here as well. So if you can't find the specific application, just go ahead and go to the search bar right here at the very top. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and download Facebook. Okay, just go ahead and type it down, hit on enter, and you'll be able to see a search result right here. For example, this one, click on Facebook, wait for it to load, and just click on install. Just wait for the process to finish. Okay, and while it downloads, you can go ahead and download whatever you want from here. You have here Netflix, Snapchat, or even some games. Okay, you have here Roblox and some other games from the Xbox library or Microsoft library. All right, so if you want to check your downloads, just go ahead over to downloads right here. You'll be able to see it. Okay, so you can just wait for the download process to finish right here, or you can click on it to check it out yourself. Okay, all right, so once that's done, it will now say open. You can click on open right here. If not, go ahead and find it from your search bar. Okay, Facebook. Here we have it. You can go ahead and pin this one to your taskbar. Okay, click on it and you'll have it in here. Here we have Facebook. You can just click on it for easy access. Now, all you got to do is just log in with your Facebook account and enjoy using Facebook. Okay, download whatever you want. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to download apps on a Dell laptop. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.